Polisport. Today we're going to be installing a range of parts on this new KTM.
The disc and bottom fork protector can be installed in only 4 minutes without the need to disassemble the wheel, unlike the conventional disc guards. The part offers extended protection of the disc and bottom of the fork, using 2 different parts to do it: bottom fork protector and disc protector. The bottom fork guard is model specific and can be used individually. If you want to protect the brake disc, just add a universal plastic part of the disc protection quickly and easily.
That's all for today. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the track.